All right, gang, this is the Burton, an inventory home, the villa. I wanted to show you guys, they're the exact same home. That's what they're building. They're building one plan, that's the Burton again. But this is just a left and right version of them. So they're just connected together. So let's go take a peek at them. This isn't gonna be a long video. I just want to kind of give you guys an example of how they're doing their inventory homes here. So if you didn't have the time to build one from scratch, or you wanted to get in quicker, or whatever the case may be, just wanted to show you how nice these are. Now, these are optioned up with the 10-foot ceilings, and all of them out here are, all right, 8-foot doors and 10-foot ceilings. And they've gone through and epoxy the floors. I think we'll see that in the single family as well. They've put the water softener loop in. That's always the most you really want a water softener in Florida. We always advocate that for our clients. Then we're coming in here again, SilverLeaf being a natural gas community, tankless hot water heaters, of course. There's your stub down there for the gas, or you can just use a 220 if you want an electric dryer, okay? They put some cabinets in, nice tile, and they went with, in the laundry space, they went with laminate flooring here. Okay, of course, that's a closet. You'll see that. We're gonna do the model home, so you'll see all of that. But they've gone through and put LED lights in the home, quite a bit of them actually, okay? This is the flex space here. You'll notice there's a closet. Don't mind the door missing. Again, this is still, being built essentially. All right, so don't worry about that. Another coat closet here. Anyway, coming into the front bedroom here, they've got the taller baseboards optioned up with. Okay, so they've done a nice job making the inventory homes elevated as well. They've upgraded the quartz countertops. I believe this would have came with a smooth single bowl one-piece scenario here, okay? And then of course we got our tile to the ceiling, okay, which would normally not go to the ceiling. So they've done a good job, even like I said, on the inventory homes. Again, matching quartz throughout. They did the horizontal tile, the freestanding hood. This one's got the double ovens. Plenty of cabinets. And you see all the LED lights. This one's on a nice lot. This face is almost due north. I checked it out just a minute ago on my phone. Looks like we had some sort of water issue there, but they'll figure that out, I'm sure. But anyway, nice view of the pond right there. Coming into the master, we got a tray ceiling. Again, the 8-foot doors just elevate the space, and 10-foot ceilings. They'll be 11-foot into the tray. So even on the inventories, they look super nice. Look at that. They did penny tile on the floor in that shower. 2 soap niches. Pretty cool. Of course, our toilet space, and this one's got a pretty big, for a 1,700 square foot home, it's got a pretty good sized closet. And that's where your air handler is going to go. They hid it back there, so that's pretty cool. So anyway, inventory home, Burton Villa here at Reverie and SilverLeaf. Just want to make sure you guys had an idea of what a standard home, if you will, that's not been super tuned up. Okay, still looks super nice, like that beadboard they put on in front of the island. All right, just want to let you see what an inventory home look like. If we can get you any more information, help you get into a home, give us a shout out. We do appreciate you guys, and I want you to have a fantastic day. Thanks.